for inviting me here. Um, Losing life is itself a traumatic experience, and having financial crisis adds to the anxiety level and stress level and overall well-being, mental health of any individual. I remember a case when a family came to my office and a mother started crying in front of me because this is the time when the mother realized that I have to go out, I have to see the documents, I have to, reach to the offices for even 2,500 a month. So she was crying, and for her 17 years old boy is a child, because her mother के लिए उसका बच्चा बच्चा ही रहता है, तो बच्चा उसके लिए क्या सफर करेगा? She is the only one. So I am glad to speak about it a day before Mental Health Day. So our journey started with contacting these families, and it was a whole lot of a different experience for us. These families, we are this much connected. Sometimes we feel like it's our own. From calling to the branch managers of their banks, then talking to the representatives of MCDs, and collaborating with the DMs for their schemes and relief. It's been a journey and a learning journey. Actually, we didn't know we have a different work of prescribed jobs. So we didn't know exactly which schemes giving which amount of and what is the criteria. So it's learning for us also. And when we hear this, the one family receives ex gratia or any other relief, then we share with each other. This family received this amount. So when you see the connection, and the connection, not only we feel, even the families, they call us, the DM representatives is asking us for their bank details. So it's overwhelming. Then the family is asking us so that they can give the documents to the other representative, and the connection and the trust they have for us is actually very overwhelming and very satisfying. And it was actually, we cannot reimburse the pain of these families and the crisis they have, but I'm glad that we could be able to at least help and support this family even a bit, having so much workloads and even the limited resources and limited amount of time. Sometimes it actually, most of the times it happened like we are talking to a family on call and having another family interacting with us and side by side signing our documents all together. So it happens all the time. I can feel that others also relate to that. But last but not the least, I really like to thank our seniors, Minister Sir, and our beloved Director Madam, and all our seniors. With their guidance and support, we are able to help these families so that they can support themselves. Thank you so much.
I would now like to welcome on stage our guest of honor, Dr. Rashmi Singh, IAS Special Secretary cum Director of Delhi Department of Women and Child Development and Department of Social Welfare, who is leading the Palan project. Dedicating most of her life to social sector reforms, she has been recognized nationally and internationally for her work. I invite her to share the journey of Palan.
आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय श्री राजेंद्र पाल गौतम जी, मंत्री समाज कल्याण एवं महिला बाल विकास, जो विशिष्ट अतिथि यहाँ पे हैं, रंजना प्रसाद जी DCPCR से मेंबर, डॉक्टर अमित सेन जिनकी बात अभी हमने सुनी, और आप सभी बहुत विशिष्ट अतिथि। और सबसे पहले तो मैं PVR की पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूँगी, थैंक्स करना चाहूँगी कि आपने आज के दिन को चूज किया कि हम ऑन द ईव ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ डे we are able to talk about an issue which normally doesn't get talked about. And the reason, it doesn't get talked about, and that is what compounds to the problem. Often ignored, often unheard, and especially for children. स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू चिल्ड्रन, उनकी बात सुनने वाला, उनको बात को समझने वाले कितने लोग हैं। मुझे लगता है पीवीआर नैना आज नहीं है, दूर हैं, लेकिन जब उन्होंने मुझसे बात की, मुझे लगता है कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखने के बाद बात की उन्होंने, और ये कहा कि नहीं हमने देखा ऐसा और हम भी कुछ करना चाहेंगे। और तुरंत उस जर्नी की शुरुआत हो गई कि नहीं आप क्या करना चाहेंगे। तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम तो फाइनेंशियल हेल्प करना चाहेंगे। तो हमने कहा फाइनेंशियल हेल्प तो हम बहुत मतलब अच्छा है, लेकिन सरकार में देखिए रिसोर्सेज के अलावा भी हमें पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है, कोलैबोरेशंस की जरूरत है, ऐसे लोगों की जरूरत है जो कि पूरी तरह से जिस मुहिम के साथ सरकार काम कर रही है, अगर हम बच्चों की खुशी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, बच्चों के केयर एंड प्रोटेक्शन के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, उसमें पूरी तरह से हमारे साथ आप जुड़िए। तो उन्होंने एक वायदा किया कि सिर्फ मैं ही नहीं जुड़ूंगी, मैं बाकी लोगों को भी जोड़ूंगी, और मुझे लगता है आज ये वादा पूरा होते मैं देख रही हूँ। Because it is a journey actually about collaborations, about partnerships, about building bridges. And I think it's beautifully done when I see a lot of people here who care about the subject. And I must say that I'm really proud of the fact that my district child protection officer, who came and spoke over here, because she has also lived that journey, a very, very difficult journey, and she's one of them. There are 10 of them. So out of 10 of them, you heard one. But she represents not just herself, she represents a whole team, which is that of a district child protection unit. And in that team, there are protection officers, there are counselors, there are outreach workers. Some of them are here. आप खड़ा करेंगे कौन है? The DCPO unit से. Some of them are here. So let's give them a big hand. Because I'm really proud of, the kind of, I think the agony which they have gone through themselves. One of them, she was last when I saw her, she was 7 months pregnant. Today, maybe she is 8 months pregnant. And she was actually sitting with me in office along with other DCPUs till, maybe till 2 o'clock at night. So, I mean, I was probably the villain out there, yet the fact is, they never made me feel like a villain. Why? Because they felt we were all doing something for a cause, something for a purpose, something which is much bigger than ourselves. And that is what brings us all here. Because what we are thinking about has to be much bigger than oneself, the cause that we stand for. And if we are truly going to do something in this sector to make a difference, that difference will not come unless we have that feeling and that conviction, which me and my team over here represents, which the presence of our minister over here also represents. He's here because he believes in that. My other officers over here, because they believe in that cause, and that is what brings them here. I'm sure that none of them otherwise will have the time to go to a cinema or a theatre hall. But they are here today because they believe in that cause. I must also thank the Child Welfare Committee, the chairpersons who are here. I see them all sitting there in one line, who have again done an amazing work, I must say. Why an amazing work is, PM मिश्रा जी जो यहाँ बैठे हैं, उन्होंने एक दिन मुझसे कहा कि बहुत बच्चों को इमोशनल काउंसलिंग नीड की जरूरत है, हमें और काउंसलर्स चाहिए। मुझे अभी भी आपकी बात याद है, और काउंसलर्स चाहिए। तो पालन की ये जर्नी है जहाँ हम नीड क्या है उसको भी समझ रहे हैं। हाउ डू वी रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट? अगेन आई से दैट इट्स नॉट, इट इज फाइनेंशियल नीड भी है। किसी को किताबें चाहिए, किसी को टैबलेट चाहिए, किसी का कंप्यूटर 10th में पढ़ाई करनी है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कैसे पढ़ाई करें, तो घर में अलग अलग नीड है। एक केस आया उसको व्हील चेयर चाहिए। अब ऐसा नहीं है कि स्कीम्स नहीं है, स्कीम्स बहुत है, लेकिन उन स्कीम्स के कई प्रोसीजर्स होते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट्री रिक्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं। पालन में जब हम लोगों ने पहली बार बैठ करके जो एक स्पेशल पर्पस व्हीकल, एक स्टेट चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन सोसाइटी है, जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग है, उसमें मिनिस्टर वाज देयर व्हेन वी kind of broached the idea of how we need to have a dynamic response, and he readily agreed with that idea, where the idea is कि भाई हम बहुत ज्यादा प्रोसीजरल रिगमेरोल करते करते देरी हो जाती है। तो यहाँ पे हमारा वो रिगमेरोल नहीं है, यहाँ हमारा नीड बेस्ड है, डायनेमिक रिस्पॉन्स है, जहाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफिसर्स उस नीड को लेकर के आते हैं और उसको पूरा करने में हमारे पास जो भी संसाधन होते हैं, हम लोग का यह प्रयास रहता है कि वो संसाधन जो है वो क्विकली डाउन टू द लास्ट माइल उस व्यक्ति को मिल जाए। हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर्स यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर्स हैं जो कि एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल टास्क फोर्स जो है वह बनी। उसमें काम क्या था कि कन्वर्जेंस फिर करना डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे, जिसमें एसडीएम के साथ कन्वर्जेंस, जिसमें जो चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन जो हमारा डीसीपीसीआर है, रंजना जी हैं, उन लोग सबका जो कन्वर्जेंस है बाकी मेंबर्स का, उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव का, सो ऑल ऑफ देम ब्रिंग very high value, just by the mere strength of what they represent and what they bring. Because I really believe that, unless everybody converges together in terms of resource sharing, it's very difficult to, make that real difference. Why I say real differences? Because पैसे हम दे देंगे एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, लेकिन तभी भी हैंड होल्डिंग चाहिए। तो वो हैंड होल्डिंग के लिए हमें जिस तरह का एक रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट चाहिए, एक बहुत अच्छी वर्ड आई थी अभी प्रेजेंटेशन में डॉक्टर अमित के इसमें, जहाँ पे कनेक्ट की भी बात की, तो वो जो कनेक्ट चाहिए, रिलेशनशिप चाहिए, तो वो एक पूरी एक टीम के साथ में ही संभव हो पाता है। तो उस टीम के पास जितने रिसोर्सेज होंगे, मुझे खुशी है बताते हुए कि हमारे डीसीपीओ वो खुद थोड़े वल्नरेबल हो रहे थे, उनके पास भी रिसोर्स क्रंच हो रहा था। सो वन ऑफ द चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमिटी मेंबर्स, शी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड and they have a tab each now. So it starts with that kind of resource sharing, that everybody has to be equipped well enough to be able to do their work, well enough, most effectively on the ground and in a very sustainable way. Because we do believe in sustainable solutions. एक बार का solution नहीं, it has to be long-term, sustainable, it has to be multi-sectoral. Why? Because when we look at the well-being of a child, we cannot break, विभाजन नहीं कर सकते उसकी जरूरतों को। इसका मतलब है कि उसका हेल्थ नीड भी है, उसका फिजिकल नीड है, उसका इमोशनल नीड है, उसकी फूड सिक्योरिटी है, उसकी एजुकेशन है, उसकी वोकेशनल नीड्स है। तो इन नीड्स को मैप करते हुए देन टू बी एबल टू एक्चुअली वर्क ऑन दैट चाइल्ड वेलबींग इंडेक्स एज अ होल। एंड दैट इज व्हाट व्हेन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट पालन with Naina and PVR, Rani Fund, I said that the very first meeting, Ranjana ji was also there, that, let's look at the, that entire well-being index. So we have, begun a journey. Every journey has to begin with small steps. I will not claim that we have been able to, do everything overnight. But, the journey has begun in the right manner, in the right direction, with the right intention. And I'm very, very confident that that is what matters. If you have the right intention, the universe conspires to help you. Which each one of you today represents for us that valued partner, that valued potential partner. जब हम दिल्ली चाइल्ड वेलफेयर फंड की बात करते हैं, तो उसमें हमारे पास कई तरह की कोलैबोरेशंस आए। आपको आश्चर्य होगा कि किसी ने 5 रुपए तक भी कोलैबोरेट उसमें की है, 5 रुपए से लेकर के मतलब 5 लाख तक। जैसे अब जब पीवीआर का उसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन आया 5 लाख, so there was like somebody who had also got, but we valued even that 5 rupees to the Delhi Child Welfare Fund. So that is the kind of like but the number of people who engage, we feel that each one of them have now come forward not only to be collaborating with us, but somewhere down the line maybe they are in a position to help many children who are unheard, who are invisible, but they have the potential to bring them on the radar. So my appeal, once again, I was like, kind of humbled to see myself on the huge stream, but at the same time, so I'm going to again appeal and say that, my appeal is that let's not have any child left behind, and let's recognize the need, realize the need, and let's also, recognize the fact that every resource counts and every partnership really counts. Thanks a lot.
Field and South. It is an honor to invite our chief guest, Shri Rajendra Pal Gautam, Honorable Minister of Women and Child Development,